least see phase 1, no, phase 2 at least.
Let's see phase 1.
Okay.
Good Try not to die before pull timer.
3, 2, 1.
Go on the operator here, guys, come on. Don't stand in front of Master. Range. And don't blow each other up, please.
Beware.
Holy shit, that burst skill though.
Hero.
Get on the operator here, guys.
Beware.
Gonna drop now, cultists.
Can sack.
Bomb on you. Run.
Beware.
Get a part samp on the next one.
Right, sack me, Makia.
Remember pots on the next one here, guys.
Beware.
Aura Mastery the next one. Get people up, come on.
It's dropped.
It dropped.
Don't transition, like which side? Left side. You got 7 bombs. I should be fine, I guess. And wait a little bit there on left side.
Shield one.
You have to move him from shield master.
Hold the left bomb a little bit.
Reach.
It's done.
Okay.
There's one that's flirting over coming over to you.
It was up.
Group up here, guys.
Slag elemental coming.
Epic's Fox.
It's already used.
Okay. Just trank the next one, and we're good. Perfect, that's a good phase 1. We can live with this.
So
I'm ready, 40.
Botting operator, got him.
I'm ready for it.
Yep, dropping it.
Guess he got some ads up.
Perfect, guys. This is really good. This is really good going. Don't kill. Watch out for the bombs. Watch out for the
Get
bombs.
security guard on me when you can, Master.
Yeah.
Almost.
Perfect.
Slag exploding.
Slag elemental coming. 2.
Beware.
I really just want to hold back cooldowns there and to just chain them into the last phase. Or like transition. Like the
I'm
transition
ready.
is really important.
Yeah.
He's really low.
Super.
I got the 2 from the start, so much faster.
Exploding. Get ready again.
Remember to be stacked if you don't have a debuff, volatile fire, or a fixate. Get a healing tide on next with Gypsy amp. Okay, no Gypsy amp. We use Gypsy amp on
Slag
the next one.
elemental coming. 3.
Gypsy amp here.
That's dead.
Tom, it's close on me. Okay, interrupted please.
Got it.
Exploding.
Parts amp here.
It's a loose fire corner.
Yeah, I got it. Run a bit weird. They have something.
It's on me now.
It's on you?
Yeah, I got one of them. It's fine.
Collegro smoke bomb. Smoke bomb, Collegro.
Cross is on parts. You need to move it into it.
Impulse on the next one.
Beware.
Slag elemental coming. 4,
Slag exploding.
Beware.
Monkey, I'm trying to spread out here. You're making it hard.
Oh,
Get skull.
Beware.
Tom. No skull.
Alright.
Keep interrupting skull.
Someplace.
Good job, B.
Beware.
Get Aura Mastery here.
get ready to nuke.
And it's dying. You get.
Nuke now.
Aura Mastery on the next one.
Beware.
Somebody interrupt cross.
slag elemental coming. 5,
Dispel it.
Can you Aura Mastery Scry on the next?
Yeah.
Now, just use it now, the volatile's gonna hit hard. Get Trank up when you drop low next time.
Kill cross. Ready to kill element first. Kill it now.
So we're tranking next time we go low, just trank, yeah, that's fine. I'm sleeping.
Okay, get skull over, please, fast.
Yeah, it's low already.
Good. Kill skull and then nuke.
Nuke now.
Nuke!
slag elemental coming. 6,
Get, can you ank? Yeah. Buff him up.
I'm gonna sleep.
Legit must I got one secure.
Ja,
Very
that's
good.
nice. I did a DK drive-by.
Move cross in place, please.
Watch out for a shield
It's on
though.
Gipsy.
Yeah, I know. Like, it just spawns, so I know
Get
something
the
that's
part
hard, so-
sample pair and a healing tide.
Chill on them.
Healing tide.
That's actually shit on it.
Okay, cross is dying. Ready to kill.
Nuke the elemental now. Very soon at least. There we go.
Spread out, guys. Don't kill each other. We still have 2 rests.
And the boss is spawning after this, but kill ants.
And dispel it.
Kill ads and remember where you place the
Indeed.
debuff, guys. Phase 3 here. I'm
Bunch
gonna
of
Remember
ads.
to get a fire calls also, guys.
I'm gonna use my cooldown when we drop low. Get into the corner. Hug boss ass if you don't have the fix yet. I'm using mine on the next one.
Just one fire.
Use barrier on the next one in melee.
Put melts all the way in the back. Not like that. Fuck's sake.
Holding that secure guard off you
Yeah.
must
Get
You
spirit,
gotta start.
spirit
gotta
link.
start moving.
Spirit
Yeah,
link.
Yeah, it's a bad meld. You gotta move.
Move. Gotta move fast here. Spirit link.
Works,
Smoke bomb, Collegra.
Check your range indicators, please.
That video
I'm
must
the only one
Gypsy
getting
melt.
them.
Impulse, smoke pump.
slag elemental coming. 8,
Like we still have room.
Putting
Just
a perfect melt.
don't be afraid to use the room here, tanks. Okay? Just keep
Yeah.
moving. Spread out if you got the fix it. Gipsy amp.
Use healing
tonics if you get really low.
Aura Mastery are done this one, but the next one after that. Aura Mastery the next one.
Spawning.
Move.
Spawning.
Yeah, we're moving.
Aura Mastery.
Shield is up.
Trank next time you feel like it, Cindy.
Back to hero.
We have like 2 minutes left, so.
If anyone died, we can just repop it for them.
9,
No, we have 3 rests.
And Keta died once, but yeah, he a nice A.
Part sample
Well,
next
Excuse
time.
me, Vigilman.
Part samp. Just don't be afraid to move, guys, and rest the tank if they die.
Hearts melt.
Move master.
We gotta move
No,
here,
I
guys.
already,
We gotta
already
move.
dropped it.
Gotta move.
Still PS available.
I got
You pop
Vamp
them
in
all
4
and you pop
seconds.
them me,
Just
pop
call.
them me.
Done.
Sack as well.
Use healing tide here.
I'm vamping.
Keep paying attention to melt. Do not panic.
Yeah, don't fuck up with the melt now.
Makia sack me.
Done.
Slag elemental coming.
Come on, guys, come on. I have Corpix.
Use anything
Don't
to
forget
just stay
melt.
alive here, guys.
Shield walling.
Forgot to
Anything.
record.
Hell yeah!
Easy fucking game.
Oh god, oh god.